Hello soulmate, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's class we'll be learning how to insert elastic into our beautiful kaftan. So that if that's what you want to learn, let's get into class. And for this class we'll be needing our 1 inch elastic band. So as you can see, I've already drafted out my kaftan. If you want a details tutorial, let me know in the comment section. And this is our band. It is 3 inches in width, and the long that will cover the whole waist. And I have folded in half inch on this side, half inch on the other side, and the total is 2 inches. And had the on our kaftan, I mark out the waistline. You can see the way I've notched it on both front and back, then come down by 2 inches and trace it out. Then I place my strip of fabric over there, or our band. I place it there. Then we are going to run a direct stitch on it, leaving the side open, the side that we have excess. Later on we'll be folding it in. And this is our back area, making sure that the band at the back, they match each other. Then run your stitch on it. So that place we left open earlier, I have to fold it in, then continue the stitch. That place, please leave it open. That is where we are going to insert our elastic band. So the next thing is to mark where we are going to be starting or placing our elastic band, because we are going to insert it. So the first thing for me to mark away my zipper allowance. Then from one side to the zipper side, I have a midpoint there. So let's say we have 6 inches there. Your elastic rubber should be around 3 inches or 2.5, depending on how you want the elastic to draw, or something like that. So for me, I make use of 3 inches. And the next thing is to use my safety pin to hold one part, and the part that does not have elastic the part without the safety pin is the one that will go inside first. So you place it inside, use your hand to feel it where we have the mark, then run a stitch on it. Then multiple stitch, rather, please run a multiple stitch on it so that the elastic will not pull out. Then the next thing is to bring out the one that have safety pin, then also run your stitch on it. So the next thing is for us to do the same thing to all the side, the front, then the two side. You do the same thing. And please, when you are matching it, when you are placing the front and back together, please make sure that are equal. This is very important. And voila, we are done. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If this video has been helpful to you, please subscribe, share to other soulmates so that they can learn from this. And you can see the zipper area of this dress. You can see that they are very equal. And thank you once again for watching. See you